Baking for Justin. Baking for Justin. Baking for Justin in Justin's house. Hello, everybody. And welcome to... Well, how lovely to see you. Now, my circuits are all in a spin because, you see, the Justintown Cake Society's own tippity-top cake experts are coming to Justin's house to taste my cakes. I know. And if they like my cakes, I might get given the gold medal for being Justintown's #1 cake maker. I know. I've dreamt of this my whole life, and I've absolutely gone to town baking all of these beautiful cakes. Yeah, I know. Thank you, everybody. But these are just starter cakes. All of this is prelude for the amazing, specially special cake that I'm going to bake for the experts. It will be my best cake ever. Oh, I do hope I win that gold medal. Yes, it's Little Monster. Say hello to Little Monster, everybody. No, Little Monster, no, stop throwing those fruit. They're for the special cake. No. Thank you very much, yes. Thank you for helping, Little Monster. Actually, speaking of help, I asked Justin to be my butler for the day, but I wonder where he is. Oh, I know.
You rang! Come on, everyone, let's see you dance. Woo! Wiggle your bottoms, shake and grin. It's ja. What do you think of my suit, everyone? Do I look smart? Well, that's because I'm being Robert's butler for the day, yes. Where is Robert? Do you know? Where is he? Oh, Robert! Justin, your #1 butler, at your service! Oh, dear. We may have to freshen the fruit bowl.
Yes, indeed, sir. Well, you're going to need to be less clumsy than that if you're going to be a butler.
Oh.
But I must say, you do look the part.
I know, I look very smart in this suit.
Well, looking like a butler and being a butler are two very different things, sir. Yes. Now, listen closely. Today is very important.
Right.
I need you to serve the cakes and make sure that our guests are happy, because I haven't even decorated my special cake yet.
Oh, don't worry, Robert. I can handle it, can't I? You see, they've got confidence in me, yes. Why don't you sit down and have a lovely little relax? There you go. Would you care for some orange juice, sir?
Oh, well, yes, all right. That would be lovely, thank you.
Oh, thank you, little monster. That's lovely. Right, let's pour some of this, shall we? Now, Oh, dear.
Right.
Would you help me with that cup? It just seems to be moving around a bit. No, just would you just stop it? Yeah, that's it, right.
There we are.
There we go. Right, I just... sorry. I just... Oh, dear. Would you just hold that a second?
Right, if
I'll just put that in there. A couple more bits of fruit.
No, I've put the top on.
All right, hang on a minute. Let me just put that down there.
Right.
There we go. I'll just pour that in there. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, it's a bit wet there, isn't it? Don't worry, I'll just wring that out. There we are. Yeah, well, there you go. Enjoy your orange juice, sir.
All right. Yes, well, never mind, sir.
Oh, dear.
I sort of knew that this was going to happen, which is why I made that suit for you.
You made it, Robert?
Oh, yes, indeed, sir. You see, this suit is no ordinary suit.
Oh, what do you mean by that?
Well, this suit is... Yes, a remote control suit.
Wow! What suit?
Yes, a remote control suit, sir. Yes, you see, I've made this to make you less, well, clumsy.
What do you mean? I'm not clumsy, am I, everyone? You see, they said no.
thank you for proving my point, sir. Yes, with this remote control suit, I can turn you from clumsy Justin into brilliant butler Justin.
What? Robert, how are you going to do that?
Right, do you want to see it work, everybody? All right, lovely. Right, turning on.
What?
Oh, look at that. Right, you're going to love this, sir. It's got all sorts of modes and functions. Yes, yes. Right, what should we pick, little monster? Oh, very good, yes. All right, this is bouncy mode.
Bouncy mode? What?
Yes, that's enough of that one. That's enough of that one. Oh, now this one is my particular favourite, robot mode.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Hang on a minute. Bouncy mode, robot mode. These are things that butlers don't do, surely.
Ooh, but it is fun, sir. Now, stopping that one, there we are. Now, here's one, sir, I think you will really, really love. Song mode.
Song mode? But I don't want to sing a song for Robert. I'm singing a song for you.
See, it's
Oh,
working.
Robert, firing up the RMP one player.
Oh, firing up now, sir.
And what do we say?
Hitting it now, sir.
Yay! Come on, everyone! Let's see you dancing! All right, what are you doing? Stop playing with that suit!
Yes. Here we go.
Here's the place you want to play in. You're my special guest today. Here's the place you want to stay in. Everybody's welcome here in Justin's house. Robert! There's Robert, the robot, and Little Monster too.
Someone else we think you know who. He's funny and sunny, has a smile on his face. He's Justin!
Hey! And this is my place. Ready, everyone?
Here we go.
1, 2, 3. It's the place you want to play in.
Justin's house.
You're my special guest today.
Justin's house.
It's the place you want to stay in. Everybody's welcome here in Justin's house. Very good.
We sing here and dance here, play silly games too.
But it wouldn't be fun if it wasn't for you. You're funny and sunny, put a smile on my face. You're brilliant! You really are great. Come on, everyone. 1, 2, 3.
Justin's house.
It's the place you want to play. What are you doing?
Justin's house.
You're my special guest today.
Justin's house.
It's the place you want to stay in. Everybody's welcome here in Justin's house. Everybody's welcome here in Justin's house. Give yourselves a cheer.
Very good, everybody, very good.
Yes, I think you were a little bit handy with that remote control,
I
weren't
don't know
you?
what you mean, sir.
Honestly, now look, Robert, this suit, I mean, it's all very well with all of its modes and functions, but are you sure it's going to make me into a brilliant butler? I'm a bit clumsy, Robert.
Of course, sir. With butler mode, of course.
Robert, I'm not interested in butler mode. Robert, Justin the butler, at your eternal service.
Oh, it's working. Oh, sir, do you think that you could bring me a jus orange?
What a wonderful choice, sir. Of course, please. Come and take the weight off your feet while I prepare your favourite drink, your jus orange.
Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, yes.
Relax. You're in good hands.
Oh,
Your orange juice, sir. Enjoy.
oh. Never in my life did I think my optical sensors would see this. Oh, sir, you were so tidy, so graceful. Thanks to my remote control suit, there will be no more spilled drinks. Oh, very good.
Never Never mind, sir. Accidents do happen.
Oh, what was that?
It was me!
Oh, look, everybody! It's the explorer from next door! It's Kat! She's back! It's Kat! She's back! Shout it, everybody! Kat is back!
Oh, it's great to be back. Hi, Robert.
Oh, hello, Kat.
Hi, Justin.
Hello, Miss Catherine, and welcome back from your travels. You must be very tired from all of that travelling. Allow me to alleviate you of your luggage.
Oh, thanks, Justin. Robert, what's up with Justin and why is he wearing that suit?
Well, today is a very important day, Kat. You see, the Justintown Cake Society are coming over to taste my cakes, and I might even get given the gold medal for being Justintown's #1 cake maker.
Ooh.
Yes, I know. So Justin is being my butler.
Justin, a butler?
Oh, yes, of course. With the help of my remote-controlled suit, you see. I can turn Justin from a clumsy cucumber into a brilliant butler. Observe dusting mode.
A dusting for Robert. A dusting for Robert. I'm just dusting for Robert in Butler Justin's house.
Wow, what a great invention, Robert.
Oh, well, thank you, Kat. Yes, I just threw a few circuits together and voila. I mean, it's magic, really.
I'll be in the kitchen if you need me, sir.
Of course, of course. Well, now everything is under control. I'm just going to pop out to the greenhouse and get some fruit for decorating my extra special cake. I'll just pop that there, and I'll be back in a moment. Be good, everybody. Bye-bye.
Wow, that suit is amazing. Can I have a go, Justin?
I don't think that's a good idea. Do you, everyone? No.
But, Justin, I spent years exploring the undulating underwater currents of Upside Downia in a remote-control submarine, which makes me an expert in remote controls, doesn't it?
Well, shall we let Catherine have a go with the remote control? Yeah! All right, if you insist, Catherine.
Little monster, look! Monster mode!
Hey, I feel like a monster now. Who's going to be a monster with me? Come on, let's see you growl.
Backwards mode!
Hey, no, backwards mode.
Disco mode!
Disco mode? Wait, come on, everyone, let's see you dancing. Yeah. Justin's place is the place to be. Yeah. It's getting hot.
Oh,
yeah.
wow! Oh,
Hey,
it's dancing mode!
Dancing mode? Whoa.
Another one! Oh, salsa mode!
Come on, everyone, salsa!
Right, little monster, I really think we should put it back into butler mode
No.
now.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, Cat, stop moving the suit!
Oh, no. Justin, are you OK?
Oh, I think so, Cat, but... Oh, no. I think you've broken Robert's butler suit.
Maybe it's just a minor glitch. Let me have a look.
The cake experts are going to be here any minute, and I don't want to let Robert down.
All right, here.
Yes. Everything is, what did the butler say?
Oh, splendid.
Splendid.
Oh, good. Well, we ought to... What happened here? Oh, we need to tidy this place up. I mean, our guests could be here at any moment. Who's at the door? Who's at the door? Someone better answer it.
Anyone?
Could you get it, sir? Because, you see, I'm very busy, dusting my duster.
Yes, of course. Never interrupt a robot while he's doing duster maintenance, especially when it's crucial. Wait a second. Did Robert just trick me? Yeah! I'm supposed to be his butler. All right, I'll get it. Right. Hello? Oh! Wow, everyone, it's the cake experts. Come on in.
Oh, how nice.
Oh,
How charming!
Oui.
Yes, cake experts, would you like to follow me into the testing area here? Here are your seats. There we are.
How peculiar.
How strange!
Oui.
Justin will now serve your drinks.
Oh, no. My suit's broken, Cat. What do I do?
Is everything going all right?
Yes, it's all going, yeah, splendidly, sir.
Oh, lovely. Well, I'm just finishing decorating off the cake. If you could please serve the juice and give them the full butler service.
Oh, dear. Right. Would anyone care for some juice? There we are. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Right. There we are. Oh, there we are. There's a cup for you. There. That's it. Thank you very much. One for you. I can't quite reach that. I mean, hang on a minute. I'll just try and get it over there. Let me just hold that over there. That's it. Let me just try and reach that over there. Enjoy your orange juice.
Oh, how rude! Oh, how odd!
Oui. Right, now, if you could just serve these starter cakes and remember, delicate, dainty, panache.
Delicate, dainty panache. All right, I'll give it my best shot. Right. Gentlemen, here are your starter cakes. There we are, one for you. Oh, allow me to get you some cream. Yes, there we are. Oh, dear. Here goes. Oh, I did it, everyone! Thank you. Oh, and now for you. Sorry about that. So just there we are. There we go. Very good. And one for you over there. That's it. Some more cream, please. Ah, thank you very much. Lovely. Right. I'll just put some cream on your cake. There we are. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Now, how did it go? Oh, no! I mean, how? Did it... What?
Calm down, Robert. I can explain.
I mean, why?
Well, you see, I was just serving the cake, and, well, the thing is, Cat broke your suit.
Oh, just a little bit, Robert.
But how did you... I mean, what did you...
I'm so sorry, Robert. But I dropped the remote in the cream.
Oh! Oh, I just thought it was lumpy cream. Oh, well, I mean, this is an absolute disaster. I mean, I expect this of you, sir.
Robert, I'm not clumsy, am I, everyone?
But I do not expect this of you, Catherine. Oh, dear, I mean, look at the cake experts. They're covered in cake and juice. I'll probably be asked to leave the Just-in-Town Cake Society. How will I win the gold medal then? Oh, I'll never be Just-in-Town's #1 cake maker.
Oh. Don't give up yet, Robert. You see, they still have to taste your amazing cake over there.
See more things like that.
Well, and you're the best cake maker in Just-in-Town, isn't he, everyone?
Well, that is true. I mean, it would be a shame not to serve the cake, yes.
Allow me.
No. Sir, no, I really feel that I should serve the cake.
Let him try, Robert.
Yeah, but, Cat, the suit is broken. What if he tips the special cake onto the judges, too?
Robert, just hear me out. You know I've messed things up over the years and, well, I'm pretty messy and clumsy, but I know if I try really, really hard, I mean really hard, I can do it. What do you think, everyone? You see?
All right, sir. All right. I trust you.
Right, Robert, you won't regret this.
OK, I
Thanks,
can't
little
watch.
monster.
I can't watch.
Right, out the way.
watch.
Let's move all this out the way.
All right.
Here we go. Right. Oh, steady, steady.
Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, don't worry, I can do this. I did it!
He did it!
He did it! Yay!
Bon appetit.
Now, Messi. Oh, spectacular!
Oui. Oh, now, please, taste the cake, sirs.
Ahem. Ahem. Ahem.
Oh.
Oh.
This is the best cake ever! This is the best cake I have ever tasted!
Hey!
Wait!
Oh, look, everyone!
Oh, tickle my joints, this is the best day ever. You know, when I decided to start...
Who wants to sing a song? All right, then. Robert, open up your trophy cabinet.
Dusting out the polish now.
And what do we say, everyone?
Hitting it!
Come on, let's see you dancing!
Here we go.
Right. Here we go.
Here we go, here we go.
Come along, play along with our instrument song.
You can be a pop star on the rock guitar. Let's see you play.
Come along, play along with our instrument song.
You could be a smash with a cymbal crash, little monster.
You can play Runty Tum on your rock and roll drum.
You can be a pop star on the rock guitar. Let's see you play.
Woo!
Come along, play along with our instrument song. You can play high and low on the piano.
Here we go. You could be a smash with a cymbal crash, little monster.
You can play Runty Tum on your rock and roll drum.
You can be a pop star on the rock guitar. Go, Robert.
Come along, play along with our instrument song. Come along, play along. You play along with our instrument song.
That's a huge cheer. Let's hear it for our very special guests, the cake experts. A big cheer for Cat. Little Monster. And the biggest cheer of all for our cake winner, Robert. We'll see you next time in...
My favourite bit was when Justin was carrying the cake. Where Justin put the cake on the chef. I liked it when Justin threw the Justin in the washing basket. It was fun being monsters. Rah!